hard to tell exactly how large this group is, but their message is crystal clear. They want to see all of the officers involved in Ayanna's death here in court as defendants.
They threw a bomb in, they shot in the house, lied on the grandmother that she attacked him. I mean, come on, Kim.
The effects of Reaganomics are best seen in the projects. Is it a war on terror or just the Islamics? Showed us how to cook coke and we've been going insane. Like getting fast money, only way to get paid. Destroy the family structure, now we mentally slave. Let's talk about the CIA wet works, before it get worse. How they follow you on all the social networks. Want you to party. Let's all get wasted. Ignorance is blissful when you living in the matrix. I see the world collapsing, I'm running out of patience. The rich getting rich, the poor get poorer. Feeling light and to shine light on a new world order. Big brothers philosophies, the one world economy. Keep us living in poverty, manipulate technology. Don't blame Obama, because destruction's coming faster. Don't watch the puppet, you gotta watch the puppet master. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Took out our leaders, they still trying to quiet us down. And they probably got your phone tapped, wire for sound. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Took out our leaders, they still trying to quiet us down. And they probably got your phone tapped, wire for sound. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. They got you worried about people crossing over the border. Not pollution in the air, what they do in the water. Or they rolling revolutions from Colombia to Cuba. Black Panthers went extinct because of J. Edgar Hoover. Started disappearing like that triangle in Bermuda. Don't believe me? Look what they did to William Cooper. If you strike the shepherd, then the sheep will scatter. Killed Malcolm and Martin like it didn't even matter. Don't get me started on assassinations they orchestrate. Invasion of privacy, we can take it back to Watergate, the Patriot Act. Capitalistic depression, we stressing while they progressing in a recession. Gold, oil, and diamonds, it's all big business. Acting like they don't make money with us in prison. It's happening now, let's get it started tonight. Do your research on FDR's second Bill of Rights. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Took out our leaders, they still trying to quiet us down. And they probably got your phone tapped, wire for sound. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Took out our leaders, they still trying to quiet us down. And they probably got your phone tapped, wire for sound. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. I wonder what's inside them flu shots they giving us, or if they brainwash us when we up in the cinemas as the story unfolds. Secrets hidden in cold, money, power, control come from the oil and gold. Swine flu, STDs, population control. Just trying to understand poverty. Just look at Gaza B, give them shitty neighborhoods and kill them if they try to leave. Force them more settlements, put a wall around the country, and then you wonder why shit is getting ugly. You call them terrorists, I call them freedom fighters. How you keep people in their own country divided? So all my people in the third world, it's time to unite before these motherfuckers try to resurrect the Third Reich. Declare martial law and come for you in the night. Either live like a coward or fight to the death. Fuck Fox News, Bill O'Reilly, and Glenn Beck. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Took out our leaders, they still trying to quiet us down. And they probably got your phone tapped, wire for sound. Pay attention, the revolution's happening now. Pay attention.
Let's take a look now at the history of that deadly raid a year ago. The Detroit Police Department went to search the home of Chauncey Owens. He is accused of killing a teenager who apparently looked at him the wrong way. Court testimony from that murder trial ties Ayanna's father, Charles Jones, to the crime, saying he gave him the gun. Meantime, while that raid was happening, it was all being filmed by the cable network A&E for a special reality series called The First 48. Ayanna's family did file a lawsuit against the network, saying they encouraged police to conduct an illegal and aggressive raid.